Not long ago, temper and ego were said to be his best friends, but Virat Kohli seems to have changed himself both as a person and also as a player. The vital cog in the Bangalore lineup spoke to Times Now's Nidhi Tuli, where he revealed that playing for India is far more important for him than playing in the IPL.
Every game now in the IPL becomes crucial for Bangalore Royal Challengers, isn't it?
Yeah. Every game now is crucial for us. Not only for us, but all the other teams as well, because the table has become really interesting now. If you leave apart Mumbai, who has won like 5 games out of 6, all the other teams are placed equally, like almost close to each other at the table, and one win could make you go up the table or down. So it's very interesting, the table now, and the tournament's getting pretty interesting now. So all of us are geared up for this game.
Also, when you see the club versus country debate really gaining steam now, Virat, what is your personal opinion as somebody who's seen the highs of playing for country, winning the World Cup? What do you see of this, make of this debate?
I think it's a personal decision for everyone. I would obviously decide to play for my country, but if someone has a personal reason, then obviously they have every right to justify that. But I personally would obviously like to play for my country.
Reports also about players wanting rest with the packed schedules. Is there something that you think is all right if a player wants to just take some time off and then again play or pace himself?
Well, again, it depends on the individual. If you feel that you played a lot of cricket, then it depends on you if you want to take it or not. But I personally don't, feel any need of rest right now in my life, because I'm pretty young. I mean, I'm ready to play as much cricket as I can, and I want to. That's the main thing. So that again is a personal decision.
I mean, you said you're young and you'd like to play, but for the senior players, do you feel for them with so much cricket being played around, if they need to take some rest, they should?
See, that's what I'm saying. It's a personal decision. If they feel they want it, then obviously they can probably take a decision on themselves. But as I said, it's a personal call on them.